Hello everyone. In this session, we are learning about transversal of parallel lines. When a transversal cuts two parallel lines, we have the following interesting relationships. Let us start. Take a line. Keep a point below the line. Take a parallel line which passes through C. Click the point C and the parallel line. We'll get another parallel line. So remember once what are parallel lines. They extend indefinitely in both the directions with the constant distance between them. Take another line which cuts these two lines. This is called as transversal. Keep the intersecting point of two lines. So this intersecting point is B. This is G. And this is F. Now find out the angle. Drag the angles so that you can see the angles very clearly. Check the other angles also. So if you observe here, four angles are formed. Now take the angle here at G also. So keep the point here. Now take the angle. Here also take the angle. Take all four angles in the same way. So drag the angles to one side. Now change the colors of the angles. Click on the angle. Select object properties. Take the color. Increase opacity. Now take the next one and take another color. Increase opacity and take this one and increase its opacity. Take the color. Choose the color which you like. If you observe, vertically opposite angles are equal and If you add the angle alpha and beta, it will be 180 degrees. They form a linear pair. And you can check 123.58 and 56.42 together makes 180 degrees. This is also forms a linear pair. Vertically opposite angles are equal and linear pair also, which is equal to 180 degrees. Non-common arms are in a straight line and common arm sharing the common vertex. So the linear pair forms here. Now in the same way, select here also and choosing again red color. We know again vertically opposite angles are equal. Choose these two. Here also vertically opposite angles are equal. 56.42. Now observe all the angles. You can very easily remember the results if you can look for relevant shapes. Like the F shape stands for corresponding angles. The Z shape stands for alternate interior angles and alternate angles. The C shape stands for allied angles. When a transversal cuts two parallel lines, they have the following interesting relationships. Each pair of corresponding angles are equal. So I will show you how you can remember corresponding angles. I said corresponding angles can be remembered very easily by taking the letter F. Observe here, I am drawing letter F. Can you see letter F here? Then in between the parallel lines, this is interior, this is exterior. One interior angle, one exterior angle. So the letter F gives you the corresponding angles. Now check, I will take another color, I will take another color. I will draw now this side F. Can you observe? So 123.58 and 123.58, which is between the parallel lines, is interior and this is exterior. So one interior and one exterior. These two are corresponding angles. Here this side, these two are corresponding angles. Now I'll take another color and show you. So how we can easily remember vertically opposite angles. See, I'm drawing one more F from down to up. So here I formed one F. Now observe in between these two, the angle is 123.58 and here 123.58. So corresponding angles are equal. So I'm taking a different color. Again from here I will draw F. So children easily can remember the angles. Yes. So this is my F where we can see the angles very clearly. So down to up or up to down. So where you can see the letter F, there the corresponding angles are formed. Now we'll move on to the next one, that is alternate angles. Alternate angles. It can be interior or it can be exterior. We can remember with the letter Z. So I will draw letter Z. See, observe here, I drew letter Z. So opposite, that means for the letter Z, both interior opposite angles are equal. Like see, here it is 56.42 and here it is 56.42. And then exterior angle, where Z points the angle. Here Z points the angle. There it is 56.42 and 56.42. These two are alternate exterior angle. These two are alternate interior angles. Now we'll see from this side how we can frame Z. See, observe. Yes, 123.7858 and 123.58. These two are alternate interior angles where it points. They are 123.58 and 123.58 are alternate exterior angles. These two are alternate interior angles. So for corresponding angles, we can remember by the letter F. For alternate interior or exterior angles, we can remember by the letter Z. Now we can remember allied angles by letter C. So I'm taking a different color. I'll show you the letter C. See, observe letter C. It is 123.58 plus 56.42 gives 180 degrees. So the angles on the same side of the transversal. The angles on the same side of the transversal, both interior and both exterior, both gives allied angles. Angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Now I can see I'll draw the letter C from this side. See, observe here. I'm drawing letter C. See, 123.58 plus 56.42 gives 180 degrees. So how we can remember? So you can remember very easily by fun, creative zone. So all angles made by the transversal are fun creative zones where we can find out corresponding angles with creative. First letter is C, with fun, that is first letter is F, and zone where you can identify. Okay, fun creative zone. Zone is the letter Z, which gives alternate interior or exterior angles. So hope you understood everything very clearly. So whenever transversal cuts two parallel lines, we will get interesting facts. So what are they? Corresponding angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Angles on the same side of the transversal forms supplementary angles. These angles also called as allied angles.